Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. 7 minus 7 times 8 over 7. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of our fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 7 minus 7 times 8 divided by the denominator, which is 7. Now we have this parentheses and this division. According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses. And inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times 8, which equals 56. So we have parentheses 7 minus 56 divided by 7. 7 minus 56 gives us negative 49. So negative 49 divided by 7, which equals just negative 7. Okay? So our final answer to this problem is just negative 7.